Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Pam, and in this video I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I made this gorgeous headband wig. I have seen them all over the place, so I was like, you know what, I can do that. I can actually do that. So yes, I got it done and I was so excited, so I wanted to share with you guys. So let's just get straight into the video. So I used that plastic bag just to cover camellia, but anyways, I'll talk about that later. So I'm showing you the wig cap that I am gonna use. I got this off Amazon and it has like two combs in the front and just has like the adjustable strap in the back. So I am using this pair of socks. This was like my old pair of tights. So what I did was just place it like on top of the wig cap and started gluing it down. And I forgot to mention, this whole wig making is gonna be, I'm gonna use like a glue gun. So this is what is happening here. Like I'm using a glue gun to just glue down that headband that we're gonna use, just to glue that with the wig cap so that we can, get into making our headband wig. So before gluing everything down, you have to make sure that you adjusted everything. Like you can see, I have some pins over there. Those pins are helping me to stay like accurate with where I am gluing. I'm putting the headband. So just make sure you measure as well your head, and so that you have the right measurements. But this this headband thingy is elastic, so you wouldn't want to worry about that. Anyway, so to show you guys, the hair that I'm using is the hair that I got from my local beauty supply store, and it's the Forever New 7. This pack has 7 pieces, and I have a 16-inch, 18-inch, and 20-inch plus a mini closure, which I didn't use in this video, and the color is 1. So out of the packaging, this is how the hair looks. It is called the French wave, and I loved it because I felt like it wasn't gonna tangle as much as the other hair that I have used in the past. So it says you can actually comb it out and the curls pop back where they were, and all that good stuff. So I first started like adjusting the weave first. Like I wanted to start like on top of the wig so that I don't like I don't know how to explain this, but I wanted to start like on the middle of the head, like from corner to corner, like of my ear, so that the hair looks even after I just glue it all down. So that's just gonna help you like to have the right measurement. Like when you have your hair done, it should be like the same size and length, if that makes sense. So I just continued gluing, and as you can see, that headband is like moved forward so that I can have enough space to glue down the rest of the hair. And yeah, that's just, let's just watch, just keep watching, and the video will keep explaining. Just keep watching, you know what I mean? And while you're at it, subscribe. So what you want to do is just continue gluing down the weave. Like this glue gun instantly sticks, like it instantly sticks. I have had this glue gun for the longest time, and I didn't know that I can actually do this, and I was like, oh my god, like girl, you should have done this a long time ago, you know what I mean? So you just keep gluing that down until like you have enough hair in your on the wig cap. But I'm just gonna continue and explain where I want you guys to understand what I am doing. But you guys, this is the fastest. Like it actually took me, I think, less than an hour if I add up all the time, because I could stop, attend to the kids, and then get back to it. But I'm thinking it took me less than an hour because it was like straightforward. Anyone can do this. I'm encouraging you, if you don't have time like to sit down and just get your weaves done, just do this, get it done. You can even do it by yourself. You just need a glue gun. Even you can sew it down, but I didn't have time to sew it down. So this is like the perfect and easiest way to get your headband wig or your actual wig. Like even if you want a full wig, this is like the best part about this glue gun wig making. So far this is how the hair is looking. I used, I think, almost like the 6 pieces of hair that came along in the pack, and I already loved the fullness, and I was like, I think for it to look more natural I have to just stop over here, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I styled the wig. So I left a little bit of adjustable straps on my headband so that I can be able to tie it down the way I want. And I think I have seen people use like those sticky things that you can stick, but I didn't have that, so I thought having the extra length of the headband is just gonna help me to adjust to the right amount that I want for me not to have headaches and whatever, you know, all those things. So I'm just laying it down, making sure that it's where I want it to be, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply some gel on my baby hairs and style the way I actually want this to look. So I use my Eco Styler gel just to lay down my mini edges, which my hair is growing back, you guys. I cannot wait, but I just, you know, use my olive oil Eco Styler gel just to lay down those edges the way I want them. I'm not the best, like I always say this, but people are like, no, you actually do it right. So I think the only way that I do it right is just by laying them down and then applying a silk material so that it stays like it helps lay down the edges, if that makes sense. So I just use a brush or a comb just to know, you know, just lay down the edges, lay them down. So after fixing my makeup, I'm gonna take this headband that today is gonna go with my green sweater that I am wearing, and I thought like that was actually a good idea. Like, girl, you know what you're doing. So I'm just gonna apply that like on top of the black headband that comes with the actual wig, and you know, just look cute, fix it up, look cute. And yeah, this is just finally it. This is just what I wanted to share. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you try this method that I did with the glue gun, let me know, and I hope you like the video. Make sure you comment, share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And thank you for watching. Bye.